Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. Have you heard about the engine battle? I think you have. We've been getting a lot of questions about what is this EMPI engine battle. Here's the deal. Does your wife or girlfriend make you watch a lot of cooking shows? Because my wife makes me watch all the cooking shows. And we had this idea. What if we gave EMPI parts to EMPI dealers, builders who have been building air-cooled engines for decades, 20, 30 years some of these guys have been at it. What if we said, you have to build the nastiest Type 1 naturally aspirated motor, and you have to use any EMPI cylinder heads, any EMPI manifolds, EMPI HEI kit, any EMPI forged crank, EMPI crank pulley, AutoLinea case. AutoLinea is a sponsor, by the way. They're sponsoring our live stream. Thank you, AutoLinea. You're going to use any EMPI exhaust, you're going to use any EMPI valve cover, and you are going to use any EMPI carburetor. If I didn't mention it, it's wide open. Builder's choice. Camshaft, valve train, oiling system, cooling system, completely up to them. They're going to build this spectacular Type 1 motor. They are going to deliver their motor to EMPI. On June 11th, 12th, and 13th, we will have dyno battles. If a builder wins that battle, they get $1,500 cash money. Second place, $1,000. Third place, $500. But most importantly, those top two, they go to the championship round, June 15th, EMPI Open House. Oh, who's going to be at the handle? Yeah, that'll be Jack Sacchette. He'll be running the dyno for the championship. The championship motor will produce the most horsepower divided by the displacement. Oh, does that mean displacement is wide open? Yeah, it does. So bore, stroke, all wide open. You can do whatever you want to any of these parts. You want a knife edge, you want an emery paper, you want to massage hot oil into them. As the builder, they can do whatever they want. All their engine needs to do is produce the maximum power divided by their displacement. The top wins. EMPI buys their engine for $15,000, and we take that engine to SEMA 2024 and display it in our booth. You know why? Because we're showing off what EMPI parts can do, and we're showing off what EMPI dealers know how to do, which is build awesome motors. So what else you need to know? You'll be able to watch every second of all of the dyno action on our YouTube channel. We'll be live streaming, again, courtesy of AutoLinea. Thank you very much, guys. So you will be able to watch every minute of it. You will get to see all of the action. You will get to watch it while you should be probably doing work or maybe talking with your children or talking to your wife about cooking shows. But you'll be watching this on YouTube because it's going to be awesome. That's the engine battle. You got some other questions? Hit us up, reach us on Instagram, whatever works for you. But engine battle is happening, the championship round, June 15th. And I have to mention, not just our sponsors, but also our participating dealers. So J-Bugs, Powerhouse, Benton Performance, D&J Automotive, Doug's Bugs and Bunnies, Seward Speed Shop, B&R Buggies, Jim's Custom VW, Twin City Euro, The Right Gearbox, Tafta Incorporated, Wolfgang International, all of those EMPI dealers are in the mix. They're all shooting for the big prize money. They want to show off their engine at SEMA. I know you want to watch this. Stay tuned. It's going to be spectacular.